Yeah, welcome back, wonderful people. So I'll be showing you how you can actually mint your Layeredge Testnet. You have just 48 hours to do that, and probably 24 hours from the time I made this video. So basically, you go to your MetaMask, you change your network to Base. Yes, you can say I did that already. Change your network to Base. Then after you've done that, you fund it, you copy it and fund it, then you move over to the testnet itself. You go to mint, and this is a free badge. You just have to pay gas fee to get this. So I'm gonna mint that for this video. This costs just little money, just I'm paying just for the gas fee. So this is the badge, the free version. If you want the main badge, you actually pay $2 or thereabouts. So after you've done that, you wait for it to be confirmed. You confirm it through your MetaMask. You understand? Then you confirm minted. So basically, you've done that. So you move over to tax. You move over to tax to do some confirmation and submission. So yeah, you submit it here. You confirm it, then I'll wait for that to load. While waiting for that to load, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. You move over to prove. You can basically write anything just to show that you're not a robot. You type in anything here, you can just make a statement, then you send proof, and you should get a response immediately. Like you can see here, I'm typing in something. I'm basically typing in something. Yes, basically typing in something. You could just talk about the project, talk about how the testnet is secured and doing fine. Then you send proof here. You still have to confirm for everything you do. You have to confirm it on MetaMask. You say it has actually been sent. Then you move over to tax again. Then you submit proof here, and you confirm. After you've done this, now you have to confirm if everything you did worked. You move over to your dashboard, and you can see your mining speed has increased. So voila, it's as simple as this. So you can start mining again. You can see I've just started mining again. It's running right now. It's running. So that was successful. It's as easy as this. If you have any question, you can ask that in my comment section. Thank you very much for watching this.